Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Pagigising lang, kababangon. And then today, I'm going to clean up the house and show you the house. Maybe it's a tour. We will see. Oh, my package is outside. They emailed me. Oops. There you go. Got them now. Okay, my husband is closing the door. Aha, aha, aha. There.
Contacted a Russian-speaking, non-US.
We are going to Costco.
Employee. They work at Gigafactory in Sparta, Nevada. After meeting with that individual and socializing with that person, our friend Igor proposed a deal. He said, if you deliver some malware to the computer systems at Tesla, we'll give you $1 million.
I need to buy new stand for my cell phone.
To extract data from the network and threaten to make it public.
Pasensya na kayo guys, di ko na talaga kayo na-update kanina kasi bigla-bigla tong isa nagdesisyon na mag-grocery daw kami at lalabas. Ito guys, dumaan muna kami sa Salvation Army para i-donate yung mga kung ano-anong damit na hindi ko rin siya gustong ipadala sa Pilipinas, pero yun, i-donate na lang namin. Ito naman guys, dumaan din kami dito sa car wash. We're inside. Look at that guys. When cleaning like this is like that. If we clean it by our hand, oh, that's part.
Part of the service.
many minutes is cleaning? I can see now. Oh, it's 1 minute now. 37 seconds. It's rinsing first, rinsing.
There's soap on there, it's just not foaming. It seems like we're moving backwards.
Yeah, it looks
We're not
like.
moving at all. That's the machine.
Oh. Two minutes, 13 seconds. What else?
Dry. Not dry, but it's
Parang binagyo. It looks like typhoon. See that machine? That's the one that's blowing here to make the car dry. It's like an airplane. Now we're done.
oh, where's my towels? They're in the Toyota, huh?
Yeah, they're in another car. So it's like more than 3 minutes.
That's it?
Yeah. So how many months is that? Like free for cleaning?
Let me pull that up and I can tell you.
Oh no, babe. I forgot my Costco card. I don't bring my wallet though.
You can walk with me then.
Okay.
How about that?
Yeah, because I removed my cell phone. I'll just bring card with me.
I didn't get a hat. I need to get me another hat.
It's too hot. We are in Costco now. Nauun na yung isa. Tapos lagi niya sabi, halika na. Ayoko na, asawa ko na sa likod ko lang lagi. Kaso wala akong magawa eh, mahina talaga akong maglakad kaysa sa kanya. Naku guys, ang dami nang bilihin. Oh. Yung wawals ang wala, yung budget. Dami nilang bag dito guys. pang kids, oh. 18.99. Dito ako bumili ng bag ko para sa work. Ganito yung kay Habi. There's a folding table. Steamer iron.
You know what I like?
That's in a box?
May Christmas tree na dito, guys. Mga kapatid, magpapasko na talaga. May mga Christmas tree na sa Costco.
Yes.
Mga kapatid, may Christmas tree na sila. Ang cute naman. Magkano yan? 149 dalawa. Asan na si Habi? Lagi kami magkakahiwalay pag nandito kami sa Costco. Ayan, dami ng chocolate. Ayan, dito. Masarap to na chocolate. Oh. Ayan, masarap na chocolate yan. 11.99. Pati ito. Bumili kami nito. Oh, ito yung pinadala ko sa Pinas last year. Chocolates of the world. Every country, iba-ibang flavor. 10.79. Ay, naku. Magpapasko na talaga. Siguro andoon si Habi sa ano. Tissue box. Kailangan na namin ng ano. Kitchen bag.
Thank you.
Tapos na kami sa cashier, guys. Palabas na kami ng Costco.
count how many items we got? Sorry.
11. $12. Oh. I thought I'm on the record, but it's not.
Yeah, I do that a lot too.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I do that a lot too.
Yeah, and then especially now that, you know, I don't get used to it that I'm holding my phone like this.
Okay. You need GoPro.
Yeah, because, you know, I need to do my phone like this. Now, Costco is there.
What are you doing with 13-gallon trash bags?
How about that? Oh my God, it's too hot outside. Hot outside, guys. Kauwi na kami sa bahay, mga kapatid. Ito naman yung mga napamili namin. Gusto namin i-try ito. Actually, hindi talaga ako fan sa mga pagkain na mga frozen. Pero sa panahon kasi ngayon, minsan parang kailangan mo din. Tapos bumili na rin kami ng kitchen bag. Tapos tissue box, Kirkland. Then ito naman para sa car namin. Para naman hindi tayo mag-amoy doon sa loob. Febreze. Tapos may nag-doorbell. Beb! Doorbell. Ito, favorite ko. Isa lang muna yung binili namin kasi baka mamaya hindi ko na kayang kainin lahat. Tapos chicken na buo. Kung sa atin, parang inasal or lechon. Lechon. Ang gusto namin gawin dito sa manok na to kasi kadalasan, pinopold namin to. Mas gusto ko pa yung himay-himayin siya. Then, saka ko siya igisa ng bawang na marami at saka sibuyas. Tapos, lagyan ko lang ng kunting spices. Ang sarap niyang kainin. Pati si Habi gusto niya. Mga kapatid, yan na muna yung video natin ngayong araw na to. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you mga kapatid. Bye!